Let's start the practice of deep relaxation technique. Now, slowly sit down and lie down on your back to Shavasana. Make yourself completely comfortable. Keep your legs, hands apart freely. Keep your eyes closed till the end and follow the instructions. Bring your awareness to the tip of the toes. Gently move your toes and relax your toes. Sensitize the soles of your feet. Relax the feet. Loosen the ankle joints. Relax your ankles. Relax the calf muscles. Gently pull up the kneecap upward, tighten. Slowly release and relax. Relax your thighs, thigh muscles. Relax your buttock muscles. Loosen the hip joints and relax. Relax the pelvic region and relax the waist region. Completely relax the lower part of your body. Relax. Chant Akara loudly 3 times while exhalation. Inhale deeply. Feel the beautiful vibrations of Akara in the lower part of your body. Relax. Now, bring your awareness to the abdominal region and observe the movements of your abdomen as you breathe in and out. Observe for a while. Relax your abdominal muscles and relax the chest muscles. Shift your awareness to your lower back. Relax your lower back and loosen all the vertebral joints one by one. Relax the muscles and nerves around the backbones. Relax your lower back, middle back, upper back muscles. Relax your shoulder blades. Completely relax. Shift your awareness to the tip of the fingers. Gently move your fingers one by one, little. Relax your fingers. Relax your palms. Loosen the wrist joints and relax. Relax the forearms. Relax the elbow joints. Relax your arm, biceps and triceps. Relax your shoulders. Completely relax your hands. Shift your awareness to your neck. Slowly turn your head to the right and left. Again, bring back to the center. Relax the muscles and nerves of the neck. Completely relax the middle parts of your body. Totally relax. Chant Ukara for 3 rounds loudly. Take a deep breath in. Feel the beautiful vibrations of Okara in the middle part of your body. Relax. Now gently bring your awareness to your head region. Slowly relax your chin. Relax your lower and upper jaws, lower and upper gums, lower and upper teeth. Relax. Relax your tongue. Relax your hard and soft palate. Completely relax your throat and vocal cords. Move your awareness to your lips. Slowly move your lips and relax your lips. Shift your awareness to your nose. Observe the nostrils and feel the cool air touching the walls of the nostrils while inhaling, and feel the warm air touching the walls of the nostrils while exhaling. Observe breath for a while and then relax. Relax your cheek muscles and have a smile on your face. Shift your awareness to the eye region. Gently relax your eyeball muscles and feel the heaviness of eyeballs. Completely relax your eyeballs, eyelids, eyebrows, and in between the eyebrows. Relax your eyes. Relax your forehead, temple muscles. Relax your ears and the sides of the head. Completely relax your back of the head and top of the head, whole head region. Totally relax. Chant Makara for 3 rounds loudly. Take a deep breath in. Feel the beautiful chanting of Makara in the head region. Relax. Observe your whole body from toes to head and relax. Chant combination of A, U, Ma in a single breath. Take a deep breath in. After chanting of A, U, Ma, experience the state of relaxation and calmness within you. Slowly come out of the body consciousness and visualize your body lying on the ground completely relaxed. Imagine the vast, beautiful sky. Expand your awareness as fast as the blue sky. Feel yourself a part of the blue sky. You are becoming the blue sky. You are the blue sky. Enjoy the infinite bliss. Enjoy the blissful state of silence and blissful state of relaxation. Slowly come back to the body consciousness. Take a deep breath in. Chant one round of Omkara loudly. Om. Feel and observe the beautiful Omkara resonance throughout the body and feel the massaging effect from toes to head. Be aware of your breath and aware of your posture. Surrender the whole body to the ground. Surrender yourself to the ground for a while. Enjoy the relaxation and enjoy the practice of deep relaxation. Gently move your whole body a little part by part. Feel the lightness, alertness, and movement of energy throughout the body. Slowly bring your legs together and keep your hands beside the body. Turn over to the left or to the right. Gently come up with support of your hands when you are ready.